Sangko to 13. Andito ako ngayon. I'm here on my Sitaw garden. I'm showing you. Here is my Sitaw. They are very blooming and a lot of bean right in the ground too. This year I had dark bean mixed and lighter mixed. So we ordered a seed in what is this, in a website, and it come with different bean. I was very lucky this year because I never get lucky with lighter bean. So this year it's amazing because I have a lighter bean. So this is how many years now I've been ordering some beans, and they always come with dark beans. So this year mostly of my beans is lighter bean. So I've been picking all the beans every day, but this year, because I've been blanching them also, saving it for the next year. Kaya yan, this is what I do in here, guys. I love planting and it makes me happy, especially when you are living alone here and you know, my kid now is married, and this the only thing is my pastime. And I planted couple of the what you call the ampalaya, but they only have flowers, and I mean, some of them died, so I took it out. So we have three survivors in here, but for some reason when the flower come and it died off, it didn't really goes all the way. So ang dami kong bunga ngayon, guys. I have a lot of sitaw in here this year. So I've been blanching. I have 3 bags already. So let's go see in here, see what they look like here. Voila! Oh my goodness, guys! Look at them. They're everywhere. Good blessing, eh? So look at. Ang ganda niya, guys, no? Look amazing. All the way up in there. So ang gandang tingnan. Very nice. Very nice. And this is gonna be all the way till the end of August and September. So I still have to pick lots of sitaw. So yan ang, yan, look at it. It makes me happy because you can pick whatever you want and vegetables. So today I'm here to pick some of this sitaw because there are time to pick again. Sorry guys, I'm making you busy before I go into the store. So like, this is what you do. I mean, you can plant your own vegetable at home. So this is what I picked. This is the lighter bean. I don't know what the difference, because I plant some darker beans and lighter beans. The darker beans have been growing on my yard for so long, every year. But there's some bugs. So, but I don't know what the difference. But I think for me, I love the lighter beans. My husband likes the darker beans. Don't know why. So, ayan guys, ang update ko sa inyo. This is what my sitaw look like this year. Really amazing. Lots of healthy sitaw to share. And then I have to be blanch soon. Blanch. Lots of healthy beans, sitaw hanging on this trellis. We made this trellis a couple years ago, and we've been using it every year, and it's still doing good. I can't go over there, so I had to go on the other side because I have a lot to pick, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, let's help me to pick some of this sitaw. My favorite one is making adobo of this sitaw. So, yan. Very healthy. Yard long beans called here in the United States. Okay.